In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Anki flashcards with ChatGPT. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. Creating flashcards with the help of ChatGPT can really streamline your study process. Whether you're gearing up for exams, picking up a new language, delving into complex subjects, or just wanting to review important information, having organized and efficient study materials is crucial. That's where ChatGPT comes in. With just a few minutes of your time, you can generate high-quality flashcards that are tailored to your needs. To get started, you'll first want to open your web browser and visit the ChatGPT website. Once you're on the main chat screen, you'll see a message input area. This is where you'll enter your prompt. But before you do that, let's take a moment to think about what topic you'd like to study. Having a specific subject in mind really helps ChatGPT generate more relevant flashcards. So whether you're studying for a history exam or trying to learn vocabulary for that new language, clarity in your topic is important. Now you're ready to write your request. You'll need to be detailed in your prompt. Start by telling ChatGPT that you want it to create flashcards in a format that is compatible with Anki. Anki is a fantastic flashcard app that allows for extensive customization, and you want to make sure you're providing ChatGPT with all the information it needs to generate cards that you can smoothly import into Anki later. You can specify that you'd like a simple question and answer format, or you could request the output to be structured as comma-separated values, which makes it much easier for importing. Next, be sure to mention the number of flashcards you'd like and describe the specific subject or chapter they'll cover. For example, you might say something like, "Please create 10 flashcards about the causes of World War II. As you submit your prompt, give ChatGPT a moment to work its magic. Once you see the response, take a close look at the questions and answers. It's essential to review each one carefully to ensure that the information is accurate and aligns with your study goals. Don't hesitate to ask ChatGPT to make adjustments if something feels too complex or lengthy. For instance, if you find a flashcard is overly detailed, just ask for a more straightforward version or request that it break down the ideas into shorter, more targeted questions. Now, if you're tackling a broader topic, it might be worth generating flashcards in smaller batches. By creating just a handful at first, you can check the format and make sure it works for you. Once you're satisfied, you can proceed to generate additional cards for other sections. This method not only helps maintain consistency across your flashcards, but also makes organizing your study material much more manageable. Furthermore, feel free to refine your cards with ChatGPT by asking for different types of questions. For example, you might request definitions, multiple-choice questions, fill-in-the-blank cards, or prompts that emphasize key concepts. Tailoring the format to suit your preferred study methods can really enhance your review sessions and help you retain information more effectively. When you're content with the generated flashcards, it's time to get them organized in preparation for importing into Anki. Taking a few moments to review and edit your cards before importing can significantly improve your study experience. Properly structured flashcards lead to better long-term retention of the information you're learning. Incorporating ChatGPT as your flashcard creation assistant can save you a considerable amount of time while helping to create well-structured study materials for virtually any subject. With clear prompts and a careful review process, you'll find you can quickly assemble effective Anki decks whenever you need them. If you found this video helpful, I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more informative content. Happy studying!